Hello guys, here we are, another day of coding with Andrea. Today, like the last time, we are on the digital audio workstation project, and this is private project on GitHub yet, but my plan is to open source it since um, when we will have our first MVP of the project. So maybe you hear more of that. We are here now. The goal of today is to um, reorganize the MIDI roll that we have here, because essentially we have this MIDI roll that the notes are starting from C1 and ending in B8. Okay, but the fact is that we want high notes to be in the top of the scale, so we want the exact contrary of this. So let's try to do this. First of all, maybe we want to change a bit the color, because as of right now, a muted track is not properly highlighted, because if I mute this, for example, in the MIDI roll, this track is not reflected as mute, because this bar is still colored. So while in the playlist, in the main playlist, it has the gray is color gray. In this MIDI editor here, we don't have this color. So the first thing I'm gonna do is this one. I'm gonna find the MIDI editor, features, MIDI editor, body, and we have here the left menu, that is this one, and it's not working yet, just a skeleton. We have then the key editor, and inside the key editor, maybe you are not. Okay. Inside the key editor, we have the keyboard itself, the key grid, which is this canvas that contains all these cells, and the bar, that is this object here, which the user can create by double clicking. So we enter this, and we have as props the track, the bar, which is obviously a child of the track, because the track has bars in it. The showed keys, which are the showed keys is the array of the notes on the left. So we have a correlation between the notes itself and the line, and the callback function to call when a key is added. So when I double click on the bar, it will add the note on the track. So let's see if we can color gray color the bar. This is a callback. Okay, so the track color I think is this one. So we can declare a variable const bar either color, which is we need to have the track. Yeah, we have it. So I created utils that we tell that if the track is muted, because the track can be muted by the button itself. So you mute this track, or it can be muted by selecting the solo of another track. So I select the solo of this track, and this track is muted, as you can see. And also it's reflected to the notes here in the sequencer. So I'll stop the music for a while to show you. If we select here this, so this is playing, right? But these other notes here are not playing because this track is selected as solo. So if I deselect the solo track here we have the playing notes. So we want to highlight the fact that the notes are muted also in the MIDI editor. We are using Tailwind for styles. Maybe the other is, yeah, this one. Okay. So BG Gray 700. This is our header color, which depends on the fact that the track is muted. And yeah, in fact, we have this great header on the top. So what we want to do here now is to change also the other colors, but maybe this is too dark, and we can just change it gray 600. Let's see. Okay, it's better. It's better. but if it's not, okay, 700 for the colored version looks good. What if we want to change also the other color, which is this one? So we have const bar color. If it's muted, we will have $200 this time. That's good. Okay. Now let's think of the notes, the single notes, because we have colored the single track, but for the child notes, we will need to go in the specific components, which is this one. So I have the track here, so I can do something like this. Const not color, yes. GitHub Copilot is really smart. So we want to okay, and wait for 500. Maybe 500 is too light, I think. Oh, 600 is too. Maybe it's good. Let's try with 400. Oh, yeah. This is it. Yeah, I think it renders. It works. Was good. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. Okay. So we can first of all commit at the YouTube track committed. Now let's try to reorganize this piano roll in order to have high notes in top positions. So this is not something easy, I think. Will require some thinking. So first of all, we have this key editor, and we are creating this keyword passing showed keys. Yeah, showed keys. Um, One thing we can do is actually reverse the array, because right now this array looks, yeah, essentially what you are seeing here is just the array of string. We can reverse it, so we will have the exact same keys, but the reverse order. And the same array, we are passing it to the key grid, which is this grid here, and the piano bar, because the bar itself, because it needs to render these notes and needs to know which are the notes that we are allowing the user to select. So maybe I can do this. Simply const show keys dot reverse. It's not working. Yeah, array dot reverse, maybe. Array reverse. Yeah, you have the reverse method. Or maybe because this is read-only, so as const. So we have to slice it and dot reverse. This will create a full copy. Can't remember if slice. Yeah. So slice without parameters is actually returned in the array itself, and then we reverse it. That's right. I do not expect that now it's fully working, because these components underneath are doing some math on the position of the notes. So yeah, let's see. And indeed, is scrapping all of them. Well, actually, the notes are pretty working. I don't know why, actually, but they are working. Yeah, because they are the exact mirrored version of before. So the only thing that is not working is the keyboard, at least that I can see of. So if I double click here, in the piano roll bar, on add key, and where do you use it? here. Okay, we are adding the key. Let's see what key are we adding. Show the keys, key index. Let's see. D sharp 8. Yeah, I think it's B8. Yes, it's correct because the last key that we have is the B8 indeed. So okay, for a reason or another, the bar is working, and also is the grid. So don't mind the overriding of the bars. We will work on it. Yeah, this one should not have been overriding the other, but for now, don't mind it. Let's see why the keyboard is not working. Sorry, I received a message. So in the keyboard here we are doing many things, and the resides we don't care for now, and these are whole handlers. Here we are rendering each key item. So maybe we're interested in this. So we are setting a margin top for the entire container, and we are happy with it. For each key item, we are rendering this one. Yeah, we also have orientation. So the thing here is that we are using the same component between this screen and this other screen. So this is the same component, it's just oriented vertically instead of horizontally. So we want to add changes in the vertical version. The Win classes, this is just it's pretty complex here, guys. I think that we might want to refactor this part because I cannot really get what's going on here, and I wrote it, so it's not good. I think that we should change this, so the top left width and height of each div here. So let's try to just invert top with bottom. And it's not working. Okay. It's not working. Oh, because something happened. Something happened. It's not so bad. We are rendering the keys, and I stop the music so you can listen. It looks good. That's good. So the thing that yeah, I don't understand why we are getting this padding at the top. So first of all, yeah, this is top offset, okay, but it's calculated inside here. So first of all, we want to set the bottom only if it is vertical. So in the keyboard, I cannot see any vertical related logic. Maybe this padding top, but we want to have padding top because we want to leave space for this either. So yeah, this is a pure component and don't really need, it doesn't really need these changes. The only thing that we should change, I think, is the key item. And so let's see. Bottom here, we need it. And this is just a color. border. Justify end, and I think it's this one. Or maybe the let's try with margin bottom. Okay. No, it's not this. Let's see if this hook here is doing something. Right, key size. This should be the same, guys, I think. Offset by key. Starting offset, key size, that is offset. Let's offset. Now I think that this is not working. Okay. It's not something too easy. Okay, let's try to count the grid line. So we have C1. These are two black. So let's try to add the track here. So these are two black here, three black, and it's not two. This is not aligned. Let's go up. Yeah, but something I'm missing here because. Okay. Okay. How can it be? How can it be that I think there are more notes in the grids? 2, 5, 7. First of all, let's call this vertical offset. These are the horizontal offset. Let's print the keys that we adding here. Okay. So starting from the last one. D1. And it's already wrong, but let's see. So this is G sharp. Okay, this is D C sharp 2, G sharp 2, D sharp 3. Oh, G sharp 2. Oh, wait. I think yeah, it might be a scroll issue. Let's try. So the keyboard and the editor here are controlled by this handle MIDI vertical scroll. And this is setting the scroll top. But maybe scroll bottom works better. Scroll. No. Yeah, no. It's not working for the scroll button. But I think that this is the problem, because see, right now we are looking at okay, the notes are not aligned, but we are looking at the same notes array. But while I scroll up here, I got G sharp 1 on the right and G sharp 3 on the left. So it's scrolling in a different way. So the problem is this padding on top right here, and I don't know why it's adding this. Let's try to remove this padding top, but yeah, it's not this one. Page full. Let's try to remove page full. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now this is screwed up. And this is not applying the pen itself, but maybe we can apply it here. So style, yeah. And we can remove it from the keyboard. It's not working. It was working, right? Okay. Nope. Padding top. Padding top is not working here because block hands. No. Okay. So we don't need the ear, right? No. Okay, I don't know why it needs the instrument, keyboard, div, class name, page full. No. Okay, we fixed this part, but the instrument section is now skewed up. Okay. Yeah. So we inverted top and bottom. We need to differ from the two. So here it's better to leave left offset and top offset, and also adding a box bottom offset. Yeah. Okay. So if we have two styles here, essentially. Vertical style we have this one, or we have the horizontal style, and we have this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It is working now. So thank you for listening to me and doing this with me. Bye bye.